Welcome back from the previous module. So we are going to a fourth module of Google Earth training. So in case you took a photo from one of these places and then you have that one good photo of maybe the pool side, I don't know if the pool is still there, or any of these places where you took a photo from, you can attach it. So how do you do it? You come here, you click on image overlay, and then you can browse. So I'm just going to get one random photo from here, maybe I don't know the content of these photos. Let me get one for Google Earth. So that I'm going to lay here. So as you can see, my image has gone up here. It's an image overlay. So I can view and I see what is its altitude, location. So those are the details. If I want to move it, I can move it, can bring it in here. But as you can see, it's a very big image. It's a very big image that we need to reduce. So I want to reduce its size so that it can easily fit here, because it's too huge. So it is too huge. If you want to make it opaque in a way, you just click here so it can be opaque. So if you want an image and at the same time look at what it's covering, you regulate it from here. So I'm just going to call it Google Earth. Let me just call it image overlay, but you can give it a name depending on what you got. So if you want to view it, you can view it. If you got it from the internet, you can put in an external link, you can put in a web image, you can put a local image. If it's from your computer, you click there and you can add it here. You can click here, and then I'm going to go to documents, and I still get the same exact photo. So this is the link that is attached. It's showing where I got it from, but now I'm going to delete this. Most times we work with this when you have a website or anywhere where you got this, you just add it in. So after that, when you give it a name, you can click on OK. Then you can come and zoom out by right clicking so that you can view whatever it is, the image overlay that you have made. So this is an image overlay that you put on top of this. So this same image overlay, I still have it on this side. Still have it on this side. So I'm going to take you through this side later. So otherwise, right now we all understand how to add in an image overlay, and if you want to make it opaque in any way you want to make it, you can put it here. If I want to put in an image overlay that I got from maybe ArcGIS and I want to bring it this side, I can put it. So I think we shall get there with time. As you can see it, I've just put this here right now. So thank you. Our module 4 ends here. We shall come again for module 5. I hope we are all understanding. In case of any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. So we are done with this part, image overlay. We are going to come to how to do a tour. Thank you very much.